Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this viral 3D figure character with Gemini. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the 3D figure character looks like, and I'm going to show you how we can create this one. Okay, first of all, you need to install Gemini on your mobile phone, or if you don't want to install, you can use Gemini website. You can visit gemini.com on your browser, and then after you install the Gemini, make sure that you have updated the Gemini so this Nano Banana feature can appear on your Gemini. And after that, make sure that here you choose Gemini 2.5 Flash. Okay, and then you can choose the Nano Banana feature. Then you can upload the image that you want to edit. Okay, and for me, I'm just going to pick a random image from my gallery. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, I'm going to click on done, and then I'm going to show you the prompt that you need to add to create the viral 3D figure character. Wait guys. Alright, and I have added the prompt to this menu, and then we just need to click on this send button. Okay, and for the prompt guys, I'll put it on the description. Okay, and now the image is being generated, and wait for a moment. Okay, and this is the result. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can edit the prompt here. You can tap and hold on the prompt, and then you can click on edit. Okay, and you can edit the prompt and send the prompt to AI. Alright, and then if you want to download the photo, you can click on the photo like this, and then you're going to click on this download icon, and then the photo will be saved to your device. Okay, and then I'm going to check it on my device. Wait. Okay, this is the photo we have just generated with AI, and this is my previous photo, the photo I have generated before, and yeah, it looks so cool. And actually guys, I recommend you to use the photo with full body and with the clear background so the photo won't be distracted. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.